clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thanks for taking some time out of your day to hang out with me. Today's video, we have the Bella Skincare box unboxing for June 2020. This box is fairly new to my channel. I unboxed May's during a live stream, and I really wanted to try to give it a dedicated video to highlight on this. Bella Skincare box is $35 a month, and each month you get over a $100 value. I will leave my Bella Skincare box playlist to watch previous unboxings, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and give this video a like. Let's get unboxing. I need to chill out on some skincare. Between Face Tory, Bella Skincare box, and Glow Addict skincare boxes, and boxes that do include skincare from time to time like BOXYCHARM or IPSY, I just have a lot right now. So this might be a box that I might put on pause, but it makes me sad because I really enjoyed May's box, and I am stoked for June's box. Like, this bag is jam-packed. There's just so many new brands that I learned, and it made me want to continue the subscription. It's something that I've been following for a while, and I finally decided to go through with it, and now I'm like, I have a lot of skincare right now. I just don't want things to go to waste, but luckily I'll be able to pass things along to friends or family if needed. So without further ado, let's dive in. So the first product I see right here is a Jade Roller. I actually have like 3 of these, so I'm actually going to set this aside for a giveaway to share with one of you guys. The Jade Facial Roller is a tool that has been a cornerstone in ancient beauty regimens for its incredible ability to reduce fine lines and wrinkles while toning and contouring. The cooling effect of the Jade Roller will also reduce puffiness and tighten pores. Jade is also known for its healing properties and has been a long-time symbol of purification and tranquility. Color may vary as jade is a naturally occurring element. A slight squeaking can occur with the friction of the stone on the metal. This is normal and often minimal. I only use my Jade Roller when I put on a sheet mask or my eye under patches. It just gives like an extra nice feeling to it. I don't really think about it as reducing my fine lines and wrinkles. I'm just making sure that my mask is all the way on. That way I can at least sit up and work on the computer or read a book and my mask is not falling off. So that's really cool to learn a little bit more what the Jade Roller is supposed to do. I got my first one when BOXYCHARM did their all skincare box. I wish they would do that again. That was really awesome. There were so many good products in it, and I thought a lot of people really liked it, and I have been using it on and off ever since. Maybe it's something I need to be a little bit more consistent on, and I will actually notice a difference. All I can say is that it does smooth out my sheet mask. It feels nice, so maybe I'll pay attention to more of my fine lines and wrinkles, especially in the forehead area. That's where I'm getting the most fine lines. I will be able to see if the Jade Roller is helping. The Jade Roller retails for $16. And we have a second card. It says, Amanda, thank you for being a part of the Bella Skincare box. Check out our sale on June 20th. Use the code SUMMER10 for $10 off your order. I'm always down for a sale. Perhaps I can go peek at the shop and see if there's any items for a future giveaway. What is this? Very interesting. It looks like hay. This is by Tropicale Naturals, which is natural skin and hair care. This is Herbal Hair Tea, soothing and nourishing leave-in. Interesting. It retails for $26. Do something for my hair. I'm very intrigued by this. Directions. Bring at least 1 cup of water to boil and pour over 1 tablespoon over our Herbal Hair Tea blend and let steep for at least 20 to 30 minutes. Once the mixture has cooled, strain out all the herbs and it's ready to use. After cleansing and conditioning, pour our Herbal Hair Tea over your entire scalp and hair. Squeeze out excess and follow up with styling. Our Herbal Hair Tea can be used in between washes to refresh your hair or to soothe an irritated scalp. Funny, last night I had an irritated scalp, and today would be in between washes. You can also add about 2 tablespoons of organic apple cider vinegar with the mother to your Herbal Hair Tea to help restore your hair and scalp's pH levels, as well as condition the hair, smooth the hair cuticles, and add shine. I've been hearing a lot about apple cider vinegar being very good for your hair. I'm just afraid I couldn't stand the smell, but I've definitely been curious because your girl has a lot of hair. How to make a concentrated Herbal Hair Tea vinegar infusion. Place as many herbs as you desire into a glass container and fill with organic apple cider vinegar. Close tightly and let it sit in a cool, dark place for at least 1 week. Strain out the herbs and your mixture is ready to use. Mix 2 to 4 tablespoons of the Herbal Hair Tea vinegar infusion per 1 cup of water and use as directed above. I am very intrigued by this. I have never used a product like this before. I'm definitely down to try anything and everything for my hair. At first I was gonna write it off, not gonna lie, just because it looks really different and almost like a hassle, but sounds like it has so many benefits benefits that my hair needs that I'm gonna try it. Perhaps I could do like a live or film a video using it of my first impressions. I feel like that would be A, entertaining, and 2, to actually use this product and give you guys my feedback and then use it weekly and monitor the progress of my hair using it. Next we have by the brand Kota See. This is the Rose Passion Brow and Lash Serum. It nourishes and volumizes, and it's for all skin types. There is no parabens, alcohol, or perfumes. With that right there, it makes me kind of want to use it, at least on my brows. Might not use it on my lashes because I'm like terrified of my lashes falling out. The tail of this brow is already kind of faded from picking. Gotta love having an anxiety habit, so I can definitely use that in that area, and that would be also an area to monitor to see if this is actually helping. And this retails for $18. I have tried this brand before. It has an amazing rose toner. I kind of want to open it and see how the applicator looks like. I'm a geek for components, not gonna lie. Working in manufacturing has ruined me for sure and has set up my expectations. Okay, it's a dropper bottle. Cool. Was not expecting that. I love how the dropper bottle says 0.5 mils, and then at the tippy top, kind of by this area, it says 1 mil. So that's like a really good way of showing you how much you need to dispense at a time. So apply directly to your upper eyelid skin along the lash line. So essentially the area where you apply liquid eyeliner on your lid. Do not apply to the lower eyelids or directly to lashes. Do not rinse. So don't put it in the area where you put your pencil liner and you smoke out the lower lash. For sensitive eyes, apply every other day during the first 10 days. Allow serum to dry for 2 to 3 minutes. And I'm assuming you would just apply to your brows directly. The dropper bottle seems a little intense to apply directly. I might take like a pencil brush and apply it that way. And I do have sensitive eyes, so I'm definitely very nervous trying a product like this. I've tried one before, had an allergic reaction, and I've been staying away from them ever since. But doing a quick skim over the ingredients and that there's no perfumes, parabens, or alcohols, I think that this one actually might work out for me, but I'm still a little bit nervous since I do have sensitive eyes and I'm just afraid of my hairs falling out or having a really bad eye infection. So I'll let you guys know if I actually do go through with it. Last month we received a clay mask from the Dirty Lamb, and it looks like we have a Turkish coffee mask for this month, and this retails for $44. I'm always down for a mask, even though I've been just loving sheet and sleep masks. This is motivation to use an actual mask, especially doing full faces like this. My face definitely does need a good detox with more of a solid mask to really sink in and extract the gunk out. This is packed with vitamin C that has 100% pure Turkish coffee powder, makes for the perfect gentle coffee face mask. I really like caffeine in my skincare because it also helps brighten. Combined with turmeric, turmeric is an ingredient that I do have some sensitivity to. You apply a thin layer to clean skin and leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Before washing face off, gently massage mask in a circular motion into skin. Rinse with warm water. Tip: to liquefy the mask consistency, rinse bottom of closed jar under lukewarm water and stir. Do not add water to mask. Water contamination will cause mask to mold. Oh, that is disgusting. And in IPSY, we received a turmeric mask. I had no idea I had sensitivity to it until I put on the mask and my face was beet red for a couple days. So that was a fun experience. And then the last product, I actually recognize this brand. This is by Skin & Co. We have seen them a handful of times in IPSY, BOXYCHARM, and FabFitFun. I really like their Gommage cleanser a lot. It's a 2-in-1 exfoliator cleanser. And for me, it's really gentle and does a really good job leaving my face super smooth. I had no idea they had a foam cleanser because I don't go out of my way to buy any of these products. I've pretty much received a full face of this brand thanks to subscription boxes. You get 5.4 fluid ounces and it retails for $30. So essentially you pay for this product and everything else was free. I'm very excited to give this a shot. I do tend to go through cleansers quite quick because I do a lot of full faces and sometimes I'll do multiple different looks in a day, so I'm constantly washing my face. I know, probably contributes to my dry skin. Foam cleansers, are they making a comeback or something? Because we received the Elemis one that smells like dirt in BOXYCHARM a couple months ago, and then in BoxyLuxe I received the Kylie Skin foam cleanser, and now I have the Skin & Co foam cleanser. I haven't used the Kylie one yet because I'm still using the Elemis one. It's not bad. It just smells like dirt. It actually cleanses my face really nice, so I'm definitely going to use that as a gauge when I am using this foam cleanser. Foams are also very difficult to formulate, so kudos to the brands that do formulate foams. And that is a nice dispense, very similar to Kylie's. For that Elemis one, I at least need 3 pumps. I don't know why, but it lathers up super nice, and it has that scent. And this brand is very consistent on how all of their products smell. This, the gommage, the eye cream, the toner. Do I have a normal cream by them? I think that might be it. All smell the exact same. My hand does feel clean. It definitely needs a toner, serums, and moisturizers to feel a little bit more soothing and lock in that moisture, because it does feel super dry after applying that cleanser. I like that it feels clean. It definitely has a different texture to the hand that wasn't cleansed, because it still feels pretty rough. Overall, I think this was a pretty solid Bella skincare box. These 2 items right here will be in a featured giveaway, but we'll see how this serum works out. I'm still a little hesitant on it, but it does seem to have clean ingredients in it, so I hope that I don't have an allergic reaction. I'm excited to test this out to see how it compares to the Elemis and Kylie foam cleansers, but this product sounds super cool and I have high hopes for it to do something for this mane. It is super dry, the ends are dead, it could definitely use a haircut and a fresh dye. We'll see what this can do in the interim. I would love to know if you guys get Bella skincare box. Did you guys get June's box? Were there any other variations, or did you get the same products as me? How did everything work out for you? I would love to know in the comments below, and let me know if you plan on getting July's box. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.